How to avoid the top 5 bulking mistakes in fitness, what I wish I knew. Welcome to our latest fitness guide where we delve into the top 5 bulking mistakes and how to avoid them. First up, the most common mistake, not tracking your caloric intake. To bulk up, you need a calorie surplus. Overlooking the importance of macronutrient balance is another error. Ensure your diet has a healthy balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Many ignore the role of sleep in muscle growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to allow your body to recover and grow. Neglecting compound exercises is a missed opportunity. These exercises, like squats and deadlifts, stimulate multiple muscle groups, promoting more significant growth. Lastly, inconsistency can derail your progress. Stick to your training and nutrition plan diligently to see the best results. Remember, bulking is not just about eating more, it's about eating and training right. Keep these tips in mind to maximize your gains and avoid common pitfalls. Feel empowered and inspired to push forward in your fitness journey with our insights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, avoiding these mistakes can significantly enhance your bulking results. Connect with us for more in-depth advice and tailor your fitness plan to your specific needs. Check out more of our videos for detailed fitness strategies and tips. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and expert guidance to help you thrive in your fitness endeavors.